Hi guys, we are officially out on the road to the Isle of Skye. So I haven't actually been up this way in Dobby, so I figured we'd hit some stops on the way up. And the first place that I came to was Loch Lomond. I hate that I left it so late in the game because it's February and the new season starts in March, which means that you need to pay for parking and camping and all that crap. We had to sneak a wee camp in before that starts. I've been in a bit of a manic trying to get things organised, but I think we're there. I've got some shopping that I need to put in the fridge. Need to turn the fridge on. This is definitely one of the ones that I wasn't prepared for when I should have been. Forgot to fill up my water, so going to make do. Also had to get salt and pepper. I'll have enough water to get me up to at least Fort William. Get some lights on in here. And get the fridge on. Jesus, the fridge is at 14 degrees. I should have probably pre-fingered it. But let's get stuff in it anyway. Some sushi. Put a sushi in it. So get it down to about 1 degrees. Fun fact, this is actually the first trip I've been on this year, as in proper trip. What a view for the first trip. Lovely Loch Lomond. And I've got this wee beach right on my doorstep. The water's like glass. Skye is officially now underway. So as I said, we're going to be stopping at certain places like Loch Lomond. I'm going to stop at Glencoe and I'm going to see a shipwreck as well. Nice wee fire pit. Massive fire pit. There's literally no reason for that. Come on. I wonder if the clown's in there. Time to float. Nope. Chilly. I'm not going to lie. I probably did take about 4 dumps before I came out. And it's just nerves. It's just because I haven't been out since, what is it, November maybe? Because I've been doing a lot of sponsor videos and I was putting the diesel heat in the van. So I've not had a chance to get properly out. But I'm glad I did, because do you ever get that where you're always thinking, oh, this is going to go wrong or that's going to go wrong? But I think once you're out, it's fine. It's just so peaceful. Obviously aside for the traffic going by. I would be lying if I says I didn't want to take a wee dip. And the thing is, I can't get away with saying I'm going to be too cold because we've got the diesel heat in the van now, so we'll see. Maybe. But there's the rain kicking on, you can see all that weather coming in. I'm going to get situated inside and I think I'm going to do some writing because it is a bit noisy. We're next to the main road, so I don't want to get the traffic in the recording. I'll tell you something though, we're not going to run out of power anytime soon. So I've got the all powers and I've got the Blue 80 with me. Maybe a wee bit overkill, but I'd rather have too much power than no enough. So fridge has got a couple of things in it, but the food drawer is definitely packed and I've got a couple of exciting things to show you, so let's take a look. Tons of macro, we've got milk, I think we've got 2 milk, tea bags, got cans of soup, rice, fusilli bars, wee rolls. But we've also got the MRE bags, so I'll pull these out later, but I've got 2 more meals in here. I've got a few chocolate brownies, I think, and then we've got a full MRE pack with meatballs and marinara sauce. Oh, I'm buzzing for that. The weather is supposed to get better through the week. This is what makes all the anxiety and the nervousness go away when you're sitting here next to the water. Even though there is a busy road going by, the rain just makes it a whole lot better, being all moody and stuff. But the good thing that I love about this van is the fact that it's got 360 vision, so while I can have privacy there, I can take these down and see the view. whilst it's nice to see, I don't want it soaking the van. Right, I think that's as now situated, and the fridge is done at 1 degrees, so happy days. I think I'm going to crack one of the windows open, just so we've got a bit of ventilation coming in. See if I can do this gracefully. There we are. Graceful as ever. Do you know what? See, before I get started with anything, I might have some sushi before I start editing. But I do need to get some episodes edited. So the night I think I'll get an episode edited. Even if the road died down, we can't record now because it's raining. But again, we'll be moving on anyway up to Glencoe, so hopefully it's no too bad up there. Maybe we'll just chill out and get some gaming done. First I want sushi. Yeah. Sushi and a banana. It's not supposed to be that cold tonight either, so I'm not expecting to use the diesel heater. But I said if we need it. I've got a couple of big trips coming up. This year we're going to be doing a collaboration. Not only just another YouTuber, but a good mate, Rick, from Rick and his van. And we're going to head down to Wales in July. And he's also got a Doblo, so it'll be Rick and Rob and 2 Dobs. I've never been to Wales either, so I'm looking forward to it. That was lovely. Patch in, and then hopefully... That's that episode edited. The rain stopped, so I think I might go down to the shore and have a wee look. Have a look at this while I'm getting ready. It is still raining a wee bit, but I believe the hat's going on for this because it's freezing. It's just so beautiful. I can't even begin to tell you what it feels like to just get back out again. Honestly, the mental health needed it. Like, I haven't been doing this way in ages. There's so many bits to park at. So I'm definitely going to be coming back up this way. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make one of the MRE meals and then chill and maybe try and get a bit of gaming done. So let's do it. It is getting a bit cold, so the diesel heater might be growing a wee bit quicker tonight. Chicken and pasta and tomato sauce, or sweet and sour chicken with rice. I think we'll go with this one. So I think this actually was from the North Coast 500, best before August 2026. Yep. Can be eaten hot or cold. For best results, place in boiling water for 78 minutes, then open and serve. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit that. I think it may be a bit of a tall order for it, but we'll check. Maybe. If I squeeze it all down, maybe. I've managed to get it at least halfway, so... Yeah. May I add, this is a real life scenario where we're out in the wild with the diesel heater. It's alright doing it in your driveway, but when you're out in the wild, it's a different thing. And you'll probably see the lights are flickering as well. I need to get something to put in between the lights and the fuse box that basically stops that, but that's what it is. So let's get dinner on the go. Let's get water in this first of all. To be honest, I don't even know if I needed the diesel heater on. I think this would have warmed the van up. So get that boiling and then stick this in. I think this is the second time I've used my new stove. Remember, I always used to use the big square one, but I quite like the fact you can burn 2 things on this. I'll tell you what though, that diesel heater was the best decision that I made. This is just night and day having this. And it's funny because to heat myself before, I would cook dinner I should have done it a year ago. We'll set it for 6 minutes, but as you can see, the water is pretty full, so I hope it doesn't boil over too much. God, look at that. It's pitch black now. See, I don't know what to do with this hot water now because I'm living large now that I've got a diesel heater. Normally, that would be getting used in a hot water bottle, but I don't have a hot water bottle with me, so I think we'll just chuck it away. I would have used it as tea, but there's stuff floating about in it from the pot, so drinking it's out of the question. Smells lovely. That's it there. Like I said before, in the North Coast 500 video, if I was a soldier and I was given these packs, at least that would be a weight off my mind what I'm eating, because these are lovely. They've never disappointed. I'm burning myself with a diesel heater. Right, well, I'm going to go and get this. Catch you in a bit. Get in the mood. FYI, I haven't played this in a long time, so if I'm crap at it, then you'll know why. Right, let's see how bad the lag is. Hey, you got one. Ah! Let's put it quicker there. Inside, inside, inside. Nice. Oh, he's so much faster.
Okay, good work. Great pass.
Well, I'm going to call it a night, guys. I'm a bit beat. And at least the diesel heater works in a real life scenario, not just a driveway. So I ended up getting really warm as well. I think I'll be alright tonight. So I'll see you in the morning, guys. Peace. Look at that as a backdrop. Start. Having that diesel heater helped massively. I woke up and it was bitterly cold. We'll just start heading up to Glencoe and then find a good park up there and hopefully the rain stays off. What a morning to wake up to. I literally got no sleep last night. I think I saw every hour on the clock, and it was just because of that road. And if it were a lie, you would have thought you were in a city centre with how busy it was. But I've had my coffee and had a wee walk along the beach as well. And do you know what? I've just missed it. I've just missed getting out. And even though there is a busy road, it's just the peacefulness. There's a guy along there who's having his breakfast. He's actually brought a table out and he's just sitting watching the beautiful majesticness that is Loch Lomond. The weather is supposed to be nice now for the foreseeable week. We're going to continue making our way along the Isle of Skye, and I'm going to hit the road for Glencoe and go to Glenelg. So guys, if you did go and enjoy the video, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments, and if you haven't already, why not get subscribed and hit that bell notification. As I said, we're on our way to the Isle of Skye. It's my first time going there, so if you want to see it, be sure to get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you don't miss it. So until the next one guys, peace. 8 pound is a lot of money to spend on rolls.